Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated a solar-powered smart classroom at the Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Tura, marking a step forward in the state's efforts to combine clean energy with digital education. The project has been jointly supported by the Great Himalayan Expedition GHE, the P.A. Sangma Foundation and Shree Cement. Officials stated that the initiative aims to ensure equitable access to digital learning while promoting sustainable energy use in schools. During the event, the Chief Minister remarked that the Solar Classroom project was designed to provide students with access to digital learning tools and to promote renewable energy adoption across the state. He emphasized the government's broader objective of modernizing government schools to bring them at par with private institutions. According to the Chief Minister, the classroom is equipped with desktop computers, internet access and audio-visual content aligned with the curriculum for students from classes 6 to 12. The facility also includes a hybrid power system to ensure uninterrupted learning. He highlighted that the government is working on customized school development plans tailored to specific needs of each school with input from teachers, parents and the wider community. This approach, he said, reflects the state's commitment to decentralization and inclusive development. The Chief Minister also pointed out that education, climate action and gender equity are interconnected issues. He stated that setting up a solar classroom for girls simultaneously addresses all three, and empowering girls through education is one of the most effective ways to drive societal change. Officials further explained that the solar classroom is part of a comprehensive school development plan which includes infrastructure renovation, digital literacy programs, clean drinking water systems, improved sanitation and the introduction of science and commerce streams. A digital library and a fully equipped ICT lab are also planned under this initiative.
One, two. So it's all functional now? It's working?
Yes, sir.
It's working now?
Yes, sir.
This is the one.
So we actually monitor and we know exactly where the high-risk mothers are. What this allows us to do is that it allows us then to target them, because high-risk mothers are the ones who are more vulnerable during delivery. And therefore, after monitoring and finding out these, we have created what we call the Safe Motherhood Program, where these high-risk mothers are then taken to this guest house, which is managed by the state government. We pay them 500 rupees per day to stay in these houses. We have medical attendant there. Now, substations are where the power lands and then from there it's distributed. In Meghalaya, if you look at the entire mapping of power distribution, Shillong and adjoining areas have the maximum number of substations. But as you go out of Shillong, especially in rural areas like West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and most of Garo Hills, you will see that substations, the circumference or the area, the diameter that they cover is more than even 200 kilometers sometimes. Now what happens because of that is one small glitch and the power is gone in the whole system. And then for the power people, the linesmen, to figure out where the glitch has gone wrong, takes sometimes even days because the circumference is 200 kilometers. This is the problem that has been there for power department. So even if we have enough supply, the distribution transmission system needs to be strengthened. Now for that we need more substations.